Suaimhneas, the Irish word for tranquility. This Irish word also means calmness, peace or quietness. It is a feeling of well-being often associated with serenity and inner harmony. It is also a blessing we bestow on someone who has passed away. In Gaelic, the Irish language, we say Suaimhneas Shuilleabháin ort, meaning eternal peace be upon you. From a Jungian depth psychology perspective, when we think about having inner harmony, it is not about the absence of conflict or the attainment of a perfectly balanced personality. Rather, it is more that we come to accept and allow room for all aspects of the psyche, the light and dark, rational and instinctual, masculine and feminine, to be there. Because when we strive for one-sided perfection, keeping those parts of ourselves hidden, there is no Suaimhneas within. Inner discord grows. Carl Jung's Journey of Individuation is a lifelong path towards wholeness, where we embrace those hidden shadow parts that were squashed down in order to fit in. So wholeness is the embracing of all those aspects, and this helps us become more of our authentic selves. It is this balance that gives us a deeper sense of inner Suaimhneas.